In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change billing or payment method in Postmark. By the end, you'll know how to update your credit card, adjust billing details and receipts, understand who can make these changes, and what to do if you need a card removed. First, let's update your payment method. Postmark accepts major credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. PayPal only and ACH or direct bank transfers aren't supported, so have a valid card ready. Log into your Postmark account, then head to Account and open Billing or Billing Details. In the Payment Method section, choose to update or add a new card. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and your billing information, then click Save Billing Info. This update will apply to future invoices. If a previous payment failed, look for a retry payment option on your invoice page after you've saved the new card. That link lets you process the outstanding charge right away without waiting for another automatic attempt. Next, let's adjust your billing address and receipt details. On that same billing details page, you can update the billing address tied to your card and edit receipt preferences. In some cases, changing the billing address requires adding a new card that already has the correct address associated with it. You can also add additional recipients for billing receipts and notifications so the right people stay informed. Make sure the address matches what your card issuer has on file to reduce the chance of declines. Access is important here. Only the account owner can view and edit billing details and invoices in Postmark. Admins and other teammates do not have access to these settings. If you don't see the billing section, confirm you're signed in as the owner, or ask the owner to make the change on your behalf. Finally, if you need to remove a card entirely, be aware that this often isn't done directly in the interface. Postmark's documentation indicates removal usually requires contacting their support team. Have the account owner reach out from the owner's email and be ready to provide the last 4 digits of the card, the expiration date, and the billing address so support can identify the correct payment method. Avoid sending full card numbers or any sensitive information not requested. That's it. Update your card in billing, adjust addresses and receipt recipients on the same page, make sure the owner handles changes, and contact support if a card needs to be removed. Keep your details current to prevent service interruptions, and use the retry payment link if a charge was previously declined.